In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a reset button in Block Blast. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Block Blast on your device and select from the two game modes available on the platform. So you can go ahead and use the adventure mode if you want to, or the classic mode. I'll go ahead and select adventure mode since I'm still new to the app and I want to explore this mode. So go ahead and click on the level 1 button to start with this. Now once you start with the game and you try to eliminate some blocks in this area, there can be circumstances where you can feel stuck and you want to reset your gameplay. So to do that, go ahead and click on the gear icon at the top right of your screen and click on the replay button, and your current progress with that game level will be reset. The replay button serves as the reset button of Block Blast, and that is how you can simply get reset button on Block Blast. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.